Hello Mayas, I'm Juliet Maya, and today I'm going to be unboxing the new Insta360 Flow 2 Pro, and I got the creator version, and I got stone gray, so let's do it. Alright, let's go ahead and open this up. Let me get my scissors. So this is what it comes with. The Insta360 Flow 2 Pro itself, spotlight, the magnetic phone mount, the magnetic phone clamp, USB-C charge cable, the USB-C to USB-A charge cable, a protective pouch, a warranty card, and a quick start guide. It's foldable, there's a built-in tripod, and there's a selfie stick. Alright, let's go ahead and open it. There we go. I think over here are the instructions. Just like a little guide. What's in this little thing? This looks like a little manual here. This is the magnetic phone mount. Let's open it up. There it is. And I have the latest iPhone, so it definitely supports MagSafe. This is the spotlight. Let's open it up. There it is. So here's the USB-C and USB-A to see. This is the pouch. Whenever I'm not using this device, I can put it in here to keep it protected. Are these stickers? Nice, these are stickers. And over here, we have a quick start guide, safety guidelines, a warranty card, and then we have some instructions here. This is the phone clamp. I don't think I really need it though, because my phone supports MagSafe. I'll use the magnetic phone mount instead. And over here is the gimbal itself. I want to show you guys the built-in tripod. There's 3 little legs. Take a look at this. And if I open this up, there's a little selfie stick. Isn't that cool? Take a look. Unfold the gimbal to turn it on. Then open the Insta360 app. Then, connect your gimbal to your phone. Then enable NFC on your phone. Attach the magnetic phone mount to the back of your phone. Make sure to match the clamp screw with the red dot on the gimbal itself. To turn on tracking mode, press the trigger button at the back of the gimbal. To turn it off, press the trigger button again. Alright, well that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and get notified for more new videos. I'll see you next time. Bye!